Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Near Disney, where we've got another great episode highlighting new construction opportunities for you. This is the Near Disney Dream Team, Realtors with Florida in Motion. Sue, who is a area expert for Reunion, where we're at right now, is going to talk about some of the awesome opportunities for new construction in Spectrum. They're still building here, and there are some amazing floor plans.
I do live in Reunion, so I kind of have a hands-on experience of being here. We are sitting right now in the beautiful Spectrum Clubhouse. Has so much to offer, the oxygen bar, and just a lot of area to sit and just enjoy your family. There's a game room. There's just so many amenities here. And this is just one section of the entire area of Reunion. And so Spectrum covers townhomes, condos, and they also have coverage over the Bear's Den, where they do have some homes available there. So we're going to cut from here and head over to the sales office and talk to Cynthia de la Portilla. She is one of the sales executives for Spectrum. I am at the Spectrum sales office, which is located in the wonderful resort called Reunion.
Reunion is a beautiful master plan community. It's 2,300 acres of vacation property development. And we are located 5 miles from Disney territory, the #1 destination for holidays in the United States.
Cool.
And what we have are two great products in here. We have condos and we have beautiful townhomes. We have our estates, which is located surrounding the 17th and 18th fairway of the Jack Nicklaus designed golf course. And here in Reunion, it's one of the only places in the world where you have 3 PGA approved golf courses designed by the 3 most famous golfers in the world: Jack Nicklaus, Arnold Palmer, and Tom Watson. So for a golfer, this is just paradise. On the condo side, we are 95% sold out. It's a total of 204 condos. So we have around 35 condos left.
Okay.
And on the townhome side, we just started selling January of this year. So there we have around 60 townhomes available for purchase. So the beauty is that you can own the beautiful second home here in Florida, and you can use it, enjoy it, and when you're not using it, you can choose to place it in the rental program, and it can, pay itself.
There is so much going on here. There's a water park, there are restaurants, 9 pools. So we are going to take an excursion out through some of the property here and get you some inside video, outside video of what Spectrum has to offer.
I'm standing in a beautiful ground floor unit at Spectrum. This unit is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, starting at $499, and it comes standard with all of your electrical appliances. And if you choose to put your unit up for short-term rental, Spectrum offers a beautiful furniture package that you can have access to. So you can rent your place and enjoy all of the perks that come with that.
We're standing in a 5-bedroom, 2-story condo starting at $670, which is 2,700 square feet.
That is a large amount of space. You just feel like it's a big house when you're in here, especially with the up and downs, and you've got this soaring ceiling, balcony. This is actually the sort of bonus second living room that we're standing in on the 2nd floor. One thing that's cool is that these guest bedrooms in here, they're spacious, and that means that even if it's already a massive 5 bedrooms, you can fit multiple beds into a room, which can serve even more guests to make it an attractive place for this to be their vacation destination.
I want to show you my favorite part of this 5-bedroom condo. Take a look. And right across from here is the water park.
We are sitting in the Turnberry model of the townhomes available here at Spectrum. You have a really great kitchen area, family room, dining section, and then upstairs you got 3 really decent sized, nice bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. Price points in the high 500s. Pools available here, and again, anyone who owns here, whether you live here full-time or not, if you're renting it, that's great too, but you have access to everything that Reunion has to offer.
In addition to the lovely condos and townhomes that we saw with Spectrum, there are actually opportunities to get into luxury single-family homes in this part of Reunion called Bear's Den. And this is a fun community because it's fully leaning into the golf identity of Reunion, where this is a Jack Nicklaus themed subdivision of Reunion. It is one thing that's awesome about it for those who really prioritize privacy. This is a gated community within the gated community of Reunion, and it's the only one. So you've got that gate inception on. And wow, this is such an incredible floor plan. The Pine Valley that is called. This is 8 bedroom, 8 full bath, 2 half bath, 5,500 square feet that we're in, and you just see this massive kitchen that we're standing in. Everything double.
It's true. It's a really expansive floor plan. It's beautiful. And another cool feature of this home, which comes fully furnished, is the pool area overlooks a beautiful view of the 18th hole. And also another perk of this property is it's right next to the clubhouse, which has a full-size restaurant and bar, and it's a really fun place to hang out. This community is great. You can have this as your second home. You can have it as a short-term rental, or you can live here permanently. There are no restrictions. It's really a really wonderful place.
This particular home, like we said, is for sale.
It is.
As well as some other builds, so get them while they're available. It's total luxury. Give us a call at the numbers below.
We are at the wonderful, fabulous water park that's here located in Reunion. This is a feature we could not ignore. This place is great. There's events, there's activities for the kids, there's sections where the adults can be. Behind us is the famous lazy river that you hear people talk about. There is food and drinks available. It's a great place to be any time of the year.
Absolutely a stunning gem you just can't miss in this community.
In addition to this amazing water park, we wanted to let you know that to one side, they're actually right now constructing what is going to be a fabulous wave pool. And then to the south side of the park is going to be a spa and a gym. It's just going to add so much to the features already here at Reunion that you just can't get enough of.
Thanks again for joining us. We had a really nice time touring Spectrum here at Reunion. And for me, some of the best parts about this place was I really loved the 2-story condo unit. I really felt open and airy, and it was just really, really a nice place to relax, and it would be a great place to have as a vacation rental for sure.
On that same note with the condo, you feel like you're in a home. You don't feel like you're in a condo. It's very quiet. There's a nice little backyard porch area, and it's got a gas stove top.
Yeah, the world-class amenities here. I mean, this is like a resort community. Whenever we're selling new constructions or communities in general, it's kind of like we're telling you about the community pool that always comes in. But this is like, in addition to that, your community water park with your lazy river and all that. And so that just makes it all the more attractive to the vacation rental app.
Investment opportunity for those investors looking for a home. So it's a great place to bring your family from anywhere and, spend some time close to Disney, but not right at Disney, which is super cool. Look at this clubhouse. And what I loved the most was the EV charging stations, which are right outside and so convenient. But yeah, this has definitely been a game changer.
Well, thanks again for everyone tuning in, and be sure to check out all of our other videos on our Near Disney YouTube channel, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's Castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.